Hey, what's up to all my artists and creators out there? Welcome back to the Mind Your Newness channel. I'm Apostle Steve, and today we're going to work on an unfinished piece that I found in my studio a couple weeks ago. So I will walk you through my methods on how I execute on a piece. Hopefully you'll get something out of it. So get your popcorn, get your coffee, tea, and meet me back here in a few. All right, so I'm back, and this is the piece. It's a Sharpie marker drawing on watercolor paper, and I just did a simple outline. And I think the reason why I didn't finish it is because I didn't like how this side of the face was a little bit more fuller than this side. So that's probably why I didn't finish it. But we're going to work through it today, and I'm going to paint the flesh tones in. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use these acrylic paints, and I'm just going to use a primary color palette. I got blue, yellow, red, and we'll mix in some black and white as well. So little dried paint here. Use what works best for you. I actually got these for free because I had a neighbor who worked for a toy factory, and she would always give me these crafts and art supplies from her job. And I actually got like buckets full of these paints, so I never like run short on paint. And like I'm the type of artist that will use anything and everything, including house paint. So we're going to use a primary color palette to mix in these flesh tones with a little black and white as well. All right, so we got our primary color palette plus some black and white, and I am going to attempt to make some simple flesh tones. I got my brushes over here, and let's get started. Let's get rocking and rolling with this. So maybe I'll start out with some red and some yellow to make an orange. Add a little black in there, some white, and as you can see, we're starting to get something to look somewhat like a flesh tone, right? Add some blue in there. And, you know, just keep mixing it until you find something that, you know, you feel works right for you. So I think that's pretty good for right now. Okay, that was a lot. I took a break. I got some fresh eyes on my piece and did a little bit of detail work. And let me show you what I did. Here is the final piece. And I really like it. I beefed up this side of the face, and what you see here is like layers and layers of color and paint. If you were watching the video closely, you saw that I just kept going over the same areas over and over again with different colors, just kind of building up those tones and those hues and those shadows, making it more fuller. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut her out with an X-Acto knife, and we're going to glue her down on this nice background that I found here. It's just like a jelly paint full print. We'll continue on and I'll show you the next phase. Okay, so thank you guys once again for joining me. The painting is done. Here, let me show you. I think it turned out pretty good, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim her down and probably put it in an 8x10 frame. But yeah, if you like this video, please like, comment, and share. I hope you got something out of this. I love you all. Yahweh bless. Go out, create something, and change the world. Love you all.